Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can view all saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows step by step. Keep in mind, this method only shows the passwords that were saved when you connected to those Wi-Fi networks. If a network's password has been changed later, this method will not show the updated password. First, go to the search bar and type command prompt. Then right-click on command prompt and click on Run as administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, type the command that is provided in the description of this video. You can simply open the description, copy the command, and paste it here. After pasting the command, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, you will see detailed information about all the Wi-Fi networks you have connected to, including their saved passwords. This method is very useful if you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password or want to check previously connected network passwords. And that's it. You have successfully viewed all Wi-Fi passwords in Windows. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.